Hi everybody. Well, I have two different phones here. I have an Android phone here and I have an iPhone. And if your phone isn't working well, it doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or an Android, this is what you should do. Just restart your phone. These are computers. Every once in a while, your computer needs to be restarted. It's as simple as that. So if you restart your cell phone, your smartphone, it's probably going to work better. Whatever issue you're having, I can't tell you how many times, even something simple, not as simple as this, I'm not getting service on my phone. Restart the phone, it works. For whatever reason, some part of it crashed on there. If I got bad internet connection, restart it, I get better internet connection. If a message isn't going through. So, you know, a lot of the times, the first thing I would do before doing anything else, restart your phone and just see if that works. Because it works on both Apple, Android, and any other phone that you would have as well. As always, rock and roll, of course, the desk computer. If you like this type of amazing content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that would totally compute it.